Happy birthday, Annalyn. Your 50th birthday is your life enjoyed in your golden years. I'd like to share this with Semari Chan's beautiful girl. Beautiful girl, wherever you are, I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. You said hello, and I turned to go, but something in your eyes left my heart beating so. I just knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. It was destiny's game, for when love finally came on, I rushed in line only to find but you were gone. Wherever you are, I fear that I might have lost you forever, like the song in the night. You made me love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. It was destiny's game, for when love finally came on, I rushed in line only to find but you were gone. Beautiful girl, I'll search on for you till all of your loveliness in my arms come true. You made me in love again after a long, long while. In love again, and I'm glad that it's you. Beautiful girl. From Junior Fatima Choir, Annalyn, happy birthday.